Another of Elon Musk's futuristic transportation systems just took one step closer to reality. I'm Sarah McBride, and I cover startups for Bloomberg News in San Francisco. Elon Musk's Boring Company is the winner in a bid to build a high-speed express train to O'Hare International Airport in Chicago. That gives his young company a big boost in legitimacy as it tries to get other projects underway in LA and Washington, D.C. The company beat out a group that included somebody just as famous as Elon Musk. That's former basketball star Magic Johnson. It's a big victory for Boring, which launched just 18 months ago. Last year, Musk tweeted about his ideas for Chicago. He said his vehicles would use electric pods, but might not run on rails. No government funding is available for this project, which limited interest from bidders because they have to finance the whole construction tab themselves. And the city and Boring still need to iron out details of a final contract. If it pans out, it'll be great for Chicagoans. The city's asking for a ride to the airport in no more than 20 minutes and for less than the cost of a taxi. Right now, getting to the airport runs around $40 by taxi or rideshare. Taking the Chicago Transit Authority train takes about 40 minutes. I'm Sarah McBride in San Francisco. You can follow me on Twitter at McBrideSG, and you can get all your updates at TikTok.